All right, you guys gonna go do the fire tower?
Yes.
Are you scared?
Yes and no.
All right, let's go do it. Here we go. All right, they're gonna go 70 feet up. It's 70 feet up. Here we go. Whoa, there's the Dreamore. Have you guys ever ridden this before?
No. Yeah.
Are you, all right, so are you nervous?
Yes.
All right, you guys are gonna do it together.
Okay.
All right. It's only 70 feet. It's only the fastest ride, don't worry.
What did you think?
It was pretty fun, but we're cold.
You want to do it again?
No, not really.
Are you gonna do it again? You coming back up? There's no line. There you go. There is the fire tower, 70 feet tall, and is the fastest slide at Splash Country. So they've conquered the fire tower and now they're going to enjoy the wave pool all on their own. They're making their own waves.